お、すげえすげえすげえ。
なんで上。
Can you guess what these children are reacting to? This image is a paper wasp the children caught themselves. And this is the wasp's head when enlarged.
おお、仮面ライダーや。
And the object making this jagged shape is the hair of a cat's stomach.
触るとすごくふわふわ柔らかい気持ちいいんですけど、電子顕微鏡で見るとすごくなんか尖ったカチカチした感じのね形に見えますね。
こんな形してるって想像してました？
いや、もうちょっとツルツルしてると思ってました。
ほんでね、見た目にもツヤツヤしてるし、ほんでね。
The electron microscope shows children a surprising microscopic world they can't normally see. One of its global manufacturers is Hitachi High-Tech Corporation. For the past 80 years, they have developed electron microscopes used in cutting-edge research and quality control in the manufacturing field. They want today's children to get to know the world of electron microscopes as used in medical and research fields. In 2005, Hitachi High-Tech Corporation launched an educational program which brings science closer to home using the electron microscope. This electron microscope can be operated by children. It's a highly compact type. The company developed it in response to requests for an easy-to-use electron microscope that can be kept close at hand. The company thought that if this ultra-compact electron microscope was brought to schools, children would also have the chance to experience seeing microscopic images up close. They proposed to elementary and middle schools that they try holding electron microscope classes. One of the leading members, Hama Atsushi, has been participating in this project for 5 years.
1000倍にしたところですね、画面が少しとぼやけてきてます。一度このオートのフォーカスボタンを押すことによって機械が自動的に動作して、自動的にピントを合わせることができると。
As classes continued, word of mouth spread, and little by little, an increasing number of schools hope to try the lessons. Working step by step with staff members all over the world, the project has grown in the last 15 years, with 180,000 people participating worldwide.
なんでこれはこういう形をしてるんだろうかとか、この見てるものはこういう形をしてるからこういう機能を持ってるんだなってとこまで結びつけていただけると我々としては嬉しい。
In the summer of 2020, with children stuck at home due to the impact of the COVID-19 crisis, the company decided to try a completely new type of lesson.
はい、じゃあ皆さん、全員つないでいただいてるみたいなので、今から始めていきたいと思います。おはようございます。
おはようございます。おはようございます。
The children's homes are connected to the classroom with the electron microscope online. It's an experience meeting where children can observe the microscopic world. The children themselves choose what they want to see through the electron microscope. What would something look like if you zoomed in? They choose with remarkable scientific curiosity. The electron microscope is at one of the company's facilities. The observation session will begin when this classroom is connected to the children's homes. 21 children from Japan and the US have joined this session. "11-year-old Kyo chose a cinnamon stick. She became curious because it's used in her favorite bread.
こんにちは。
そしたら、マウスの左のボタンを2回連続カチカチってちょっと早めに押してみてください。
If the children want to try zooming in further, the electron microscope can be controlled remotely by the children themselves over their online connection.
ね、もう一回やってみて。 あ、いけて、あ、
できた
OK です。できたね。でそしたら、ボタンをカチカチしていくと、おお。こうすると、なんでしょうね。なんか何とも言えない形が見えてきましたね。
なんか細胞みたい。
みたいだよね。
Kyo chooses a spot and focuses in on it.
とよーく見るとこれなんか部屋の中になんか丸いつぶつぶとかもね、ところどころ見ると
うん。
見えてますね。
シナモンの粉？
これね、予想でしかないんですけど、シナモンの表面にあるなんだろうな、でんぷんの粒とかかもしれませんね。はい、
Even if the children live in places far away from the electron microscope, they are able to learn about the microscopic world.
いいですね。400倍いきました。
日本の国内においても、例えばすごく離れた、島の小学校とかですね、そういったところですと今までですとなかなか装置を運んで出前授業っていうのもやっぱりやりづらかったんですけど、リアルの活動は残しつつ、それと、今回始めているようなリモートの活動もうまく組み合わせて、相乗効果を持たせて活動全体をもっともっとこう広げていければなというふうに思っております。